Hiya folks, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time instead that you stumble into my channel, my name is Giuseppe, I am 47 years old and I have been following the keto lifestyle, not a diet, for 2 years and few months so far. In my channel, the channel of the Italian Keto Guy, you can find delicious recipe, traditional recipes, for the moment only Italian ones, converted into keto ones whenever it is possible. Today I'm going to show you something from South Italy. We call it fresella. It's a kind of a disc with a hole in the middle and is made with a plain flour, of course, but in keto we don't use plain flour, so of course we use almond flour. Follow me in the recipe and I will tell you later how to replace the almond flour if you are not allergic, for example. Stay tuned. Let's start by putting 70 grams of almond flour in a container, 2 pinches of salt or more if you like it saltier, it's up to you, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Stir very well so to get rid of lumps that the baking powder could have formed because of the humidity. And then after you have stirred very well by combining the ingredients, you can add the liquid ones. 165 grams of egg white. You can use water if you don't want to put the egg white or if you don't have eggs, but I encourage you to buy eggs in keto. 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of vinegar, so to ignite the chemical reaction that will make the carbon dioxide during the cooking in the oven, so to make those nice bubbles in the final product. Stir very well, the dough will be liquid, so you need some containers, a donut one for example, so you can pour the dough inside. If you use those ones, they are not made of silicone, please be sure to put some butter on it and some fiber, bamboo or oat fiber, as you can see, so the dough will not stick all around the borders, the walls of the containers. We have now to cook it for 20-25 minutes, 180 Celsius degrees or 350 Fahrenheit, and after that let it cool down completely and then cut it into 3 slices and put it back for the same time, same temperature, or you can toast them if you want, it's quicker. And here we are, as usual, the tasting is here. Really delicious, and I can tell you, I put it in the fridge for 1 hour and now I can't taste at all the almond flour. No, the dressing that I put on the top, very typical here in South Italy, with chopped tomatoes, oregano, garlic and extra virgin oil, they completely cover the taste of the almond flavor. So you can go really and you can eat it. Don't worry about the almond flour. Those of you who are not allergic, so they can't eat, or as Americans say, they can't eat the almonds, you can use linseed, flax seeds, the same. And of course the taste will be slightly different, stronger, a little bit stronger. You can keep them in a zip bag in the fridge, or you can freeze them. The dressing, you can use some tuna if you want, or you can put some pesto. It's up to you. Let me know in the comments below what you think, what is your favorite dressing on those frisella. If you like the video, please subscribe. I passed 5,200 subscribers thanks to you, to your support. This is really valuable to me. and share it with your friends. You will help me to grow more and more. I'm aiming to 10,000 followers in time. Thanks a lot for your support, and see you at the next recipe. Ciao.